Hello. If you or anyone in your family is going through an experience of cancer, we at Sanjeevani Life Beyond Cancer, we are conducting a workshop for 3 days with 9 sessions where you will learn about cancer, you will learn how to deal with it. You will get to know what works, what all you need to do while going through an experience of cancer, what to eat, what not to eat, how to change your lifestyle and come out of this experience of cancer completely, physically, psychologically, and mentally. So if you were always confused, there was chaos in your life because the disease of cancer has come, then please join this workshop and understand how to work on yourself along with the medical treatment so that you become cancer free at the soonest. For the workshop, please click the button below. Register to get to know more. The dates of the workshop are 16th, 17th and 18th of April.